My favorite Singapore noodles recipe. The first thing I did was to add hot water to the noodles. Then I covered for 5 minutes. Then season my shrimps and my chicken. Guys, if you are still at this point, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my video with your friends. Tell me how you love to make your Singapore noodles in the comment section. Then I fried my chicken, my sausage, and my shrimps. Then I did that for about 5 minutes. Guys, let me know what you love to pair with your Singapore noodles. Is it turkey? Is it beef? Just let me know your favorite protein. Then I started with frying of my onions, pepper, and garlic. Then I fried for about 5 minutes. Then I added my bell pepper. For this bell pepper, you can use any other thing you want, like egg or cucumber. So I mixed together. Then I added my sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. For this sauce, you can use any other thing you want, but for now I added my seasoning and salt, then I stir together. I allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. Then I added my already fried shrimp, sausage, and chicken. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends. Like my video and please drop a comment. It's just going to go a long way for me. Thank you. Bye.